Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram notes camera option not showing on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also facing the issue with your Instagram notes camera option not showing, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just open your Play Store, then search for Instagram. Here in bottom you will find search option, tap on that and tap on the search option, then type your Instagram. After typing Instagram, you need to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, just you have to long press on your Instagram app, then tap on this I option. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on this, tap on clear cache. After that, then go back, then you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to open your Instagram app, tap on profile icon from bottom. In bottom you will find your profile icon, tap on that. After tapping this, you will find this screen, tap on these three horizontal lines in top right side corner, scroll down. Here you will find help option, tap on this help, then tap on report a problem, then tap on report a problem again, then tap on include and continue. Here you know type, hi Instagram team, notes camera option not showing on my Instagram app, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this, just tap on this send button, or if you have any screenshot you can upload it from here. Just tap on this upload button, then attach your screenshot. After tapping send, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix your Instagram notes camera option not showing on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.